This video I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp chats and messages on WhatsApp. Here click on top right three lines. Here you can see. After that here click on settings. After that here click on chats. Here you can see. Scroll down and here you can see chat backup. Click on this. After that here click on Google accounts and choose a Gmail account. After that here you can see button frequency. Here choose weekly, daily or monthly. After that here click on backup. Here you can see again click on backup. Again click on backup. In this way here you can see your messaging all. In this way you can back up your all messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video.